Today we got the Tecno Camon 17 Pro. The screen is broken and the customer told us to put a new one. Alright, let's open the pack. This is a plastic. Let's put some alcohol to remove the adhesive. This adhesive is too much. Seems this device has been opened before and there is too much glue. I barely can open it. You can maybe heat the back plastic. Be careful of the degree because we don't need to melt the plastic. It can be melted, so be careful. I'm going to heat it because we have too much glue inside and I can't open it by the usual method we do, using the alcohol and a plastic piece or a plastic card. I speed this video a little bit so you can watch everything in fast. It's no need to watch in slow motion, and be careful of the fingerprint flex cable in the middle. You can see it. I don't know what the chaos is here. Too much glue inside, even on the screws. I don't know why they do that. They just need to remove the old adhesive and then put a new one. Remove all the screws. After that, we are going to remove the SIM card tray. This is very important because we are going to remove the frame from the housing. We have a housing, so be careful not to damage that one. It's soft. It can be broken if you make a force. Also, we have the fingerprint on it connected to the power button, so you have to lift the device and remove the fingerprint flex cable. Also remove the sticker on there. Alright, now let's unplug the battery. I have the screen down below. Remove the battery. It was loose because, as I told you, the screen has been replaced before. Alright, unplug it. You can now plug the new screen and put the battery to test the screen. Sometimes the screen could be damaged from the factory, so if you remove the seal, it could be no longer in the warranty, so you have to be careful. Also, the screen can't be worked without touching the ground, so it should touch the ground in order the touch screen to get to work. So this tip is very important to know because you may think the screen is not working, and that's because the screen is not touching the ground. I'm not going to show you the full testing of the screen. I just wanted to show you that the screen is working, and I'm going to touch the main board of the screen. You can see what I did, so we can let the screen touch working. And sometimes you will see it's not being worked because I raise it up a little from the main board. So keep that in mind, and that's because of it. Now we are going to remove the old screen. You can remove it, you can heat it. Be careful of your fingers. There is too much glasses in there. This can damage your finger, or you can cut your finger, so be careful. Or you can wear gloves. You can heat it, is better. You can use 260 degree to do that, and also you can use the plastic piece or the plastic card to swipe and remove the old screen. Also, there is too much adhesive onto there. I don't know why these people. Also, they didn't remove the blue sticker from the screen. I don't know what people are doing this, and I don't know if they know. They should remove these stickers. They are not made to let them into the screen, so you have to remove them. Clean all over the frame from the adhesive and the glass. A tiny bit of a glass can broke the new LCD when you insert it to the right place. So make the perfect clean and you will have a perfect fit on the frame, and this is very important. Oh, I damaged that frame. It's okay because it's already broken. You can see some of the edges is broken already because he changed a lot of LCD, it seems. So it's not our mistake, but I can do it perfect for him. For you, now you can put the new LCD and make a good test because the screen now is touching, and you can see also if the screen is flat on the frame and there is no problem. We have a sticker on the front camera, that's why it's not fitting from the top, but in general it's very good. So I'm going to connect that flex cable and put the battery, test the screen. If it's perfect and good, I'm going to proceed with the work and assemble the device. I was looking for the pattern, alright, we know it from the customer. It's better to test the screen. Just I'm going to swipe a little bit. Seems everything perfect. Now I'm going to proceed. If we have something damaged or something not working, you will see an area not working. Alright, remove these stickers. You have to remove it and remove also the other sticker. There's adhesive into it, and put it where it was to be. Also remove the sticker. Alright, now we are going to put a tiny or a little line of the adhesive or the glue. This is a CP003 black adhesive. It's also waterproof and it's like a gummy adhesive. It's very good. I started to use it recently and I liked it. So a tiny line of the adhesive, it's enough, no need to put too much. Be careful of the area in the front camera and the sensors and the ear speaker. These area should not be contain any glue because it will block the area and make a problem to the customer. These information what you should have to know. Put the flex cable in and start putting in position. Alright, put on position and push. Now we are going to do the assemble, and after that we will finish our video. I think in this point of the replacing the LCD for the Camon Tecno 17 Pro, we are finished. We said everything that need to be said. If you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments below. We will do our best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like. This will support the channel to continue and grow and making new videos. Thank you for watching. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.